Hi, my name's Jo Robertson and I'm an Education Director at Wonderful Brands. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Bond Hero. Bond Hero is Yellow's smart additive that can be added into colours and into bleaches. It strengthens the hair by 86%. There's no downtime with this product. You simply add it into your colours or your bleaches and that's it. You don't have to alter your mixing ratios. You don't have to up your peroxide. You know that the hair is protected and will be 86% stronger by using this product. This works on internally and externally with our two main ingredients. First of all, for internally, we're working with an almond protein. The almond protein is a small molecule that can enter further into the cortex and repairs those bridges, builds those strong bridges, so we know that we're able to perhaps lighten the hair further, push the hair a little bit further than we could without this product. We also work externally as well using cocoa butter that works on the outside of the hair, so we're getting that all-round protection with just a few drops of this product. So with this product you can lighten, straighten and strengthen the hair all in one go, so colours, bleaches, and you can add this into your smoothing treatments as well. The hair will be 3 times less likely to have breakage when using Bond Hero. You can also add it into your care masks as well. So you can use a strengthening mask if you wanted to create your part B to this. So part A would be that you add this into your colours, your bleaches, or to your smoothing treatment. Or you could make at-home colour bombs where you could add in some silver pigments perhaps, put some Bond Hero in there, and the client's able to take that home as well. So it's a real all-rounder for your business. Bond Hero increases the hair strength by 71%. Your hair will be 3 times less likely to break after using Bond Hero, and after your first treatment your hair will be 86% stronger. There's also a complementary range within the care range of Yellow. With Repair we have a shampoo, a conditioner and also a mask that you can customise your treatment with.